But from June going, you know, you better experience energy crisis. And to start doom so be in your experience, you know. Abandon to the normal to see a year because you do June, you bring issue with our energy.
You share to my face.
Yeah.
I mobile say you no more bo who de ru ni ade. Na ye betena na ye ntimi anka ho asem enye I think say ye ne ye tiefo ne yahwefo ye ne wo mu end ni ye. Do my face. Ye de abawie ye.
Sure.
Na na e ko saying.
Yeah, me that say you didn't kind of me pese me da omo mbe support ye no ase. Number 1 SOMPA FM. And SOMPA radio ne na pamf and 21st clinic. Should we make us omo na the main sponsors of 2026 Eduma Festival. And yes be almost support you keke or more transmit BBR live all throughout the whole 3 days in na. 21st clinic required by year free screening for 3 consecutive days free of charge. You know almost until see a review program. 21st clinic ne SOMPA TV ne SOMPA radio ne da mu nyina ase. Mo CEO Terra 1 TV
Terra 1 TV so.
Omo so ka ho ntia da mu nyina ase. Mfa ye da ma se pa se mo ka ho na ma Eduma Fest ne course de ko ye no. Na bi mu no there were so many other sponsors. Yeah. You for omo be nkra na yini be saying. Promasidon
Yeah,
Promasidon ne then Trisco omo vat obe he nkra case zombie omo ye o ha enya sem nkran ade no be ye wakura so no the Promasidon for better massive TV the better massive pa eno koda nchen a there were so many other sponsors so many G's I Care and many there were Dam Delivery or there were Eastbed Hotel there were Shilles Hotel and many other minti mun kai din na because me need listen wo me ha ye da mun nyina sese mutum fa so amoboa na no koda nchen za meda me organizers na se omu badjuma basa gura de nyankopon no I'm so blessed and so pleased to have them around what do we do omo no ha I know share kaka no no ha
dollar man nka camera betimi aswitch ni ya organizers papa wow
trust me omo djuma omo boy and they will team me so oduma so ya na omo some of them are not here but omo boy djuma pa omo ndawo share me free akwantum ba Ghana 20th and 21st 22nd and I me no nyina ko ye they got for 26 December all the way to the program na ye ba nkran 6 omina wabusuya for they have their wives and their whatever all these festive season nyina o ye woduma so ya na ye ko na ye nda o at times ye ba ko da no ebia 1 ebia 2
na ye ba ye hu adwuma na moye
and you know team the team na se pa kese and I'm pleased I think that nyankopon any so no ma bia makoma me so he is giving me wonderful people around that almost be bo amatimi facilitating no ma ye pese ye and enoko da nchen so a team na wo dumasia no so ye do mu nyina ase and then ye vendors omunya gide we mu say program ye ba ye nche yo the 3rd edition nti me kwakwa je 10 mi nuane akoyi kura na be koyi omunya fit we mu no omo se de omase na ye se de nyankopon ase se omo de no ba mu obi atimi ton na ade enya mfaso aye bi kura within 6 months ka onya 3 days obenya ni nyina ho nti e be do mu nyina so ase and any other person be ane de oye ma okosunwan a there were so many media houses ho there was service radio no any other radio station omu nyina so ebobo ho dawu support to yen and then artist dey omo buy there were many but omo me bo mu din ye kwa ku smoke ye number 1 when they say number 2 I'm rather number 3 and family number 4 omo buy crowd no na massive it was so inspiring say kuro to say dumasu ya atimi organize baby atisa in fact amanfo a omo nim programs omo say programs they were Ghana hanging during this festive season you know they would dumasu ya no am say crowd sing program bia you know I dey bia because say e shey you cry pa nti ye be do bia ase na ya ka say ye kukumponi ne ye be so a ye ko ye nim ne de kwa de be ya de foforo be ya de foforo duma fast de ko yi kese only say na ye sponsors and kasa on be baso program we want to own it say be omo ye product say be ye nsan ye nsuo ye beverages
no next year on beba
yes omo mra on board and tell me here because one man tell me make I dey me penny say example bia asam kan bia say belakwa
okay
o nsuo o nsan and osan wo beverage ka ho nti wo bisa wo ba on board yenji any other company biya or yes no money bi enka ho now so obefa kan nyina just imagine if I buy best 70 to 80,000 people say obiya say o to nsu na obetima supply
ondimi
and sa woman ba ko say anajo 11 na nsa nyina asa ntina so ofre ba bi o to nsa wo sunyan
no omo de bre
na ya pon nipa na pon e so mo de gu ka mu so ade bra no ade chene nyina asa me say na ade omo ton AC bi ton 25 series 20 series unya bi nom amanfo atake ya che omo hu de omo ye omo ho ne ho wo to so sa 5 series ga 50 ada okoto because onya and anajo no nyina no amanfo e to indomidi omo to bankudi tilapia anya kan geto o and make I say baby aduma fesene ko no in the next 3-4 years no hu
yes
e be ya de bi wo Ghana ha nipa njintum nti se e many team na kasa se nyame ya adoma yenye se February mu a pe no Duma Fest 2027 no ye sha se ai den a plan nti obi bia na o ye sponsor o person oba on board no ntem na waba me pen se e benya sponsor obetimi a provide no ma ye hianya se bia o nsuo wo nsan o beverage ka ho e ba na sa na ye showcase nchire o se wo o market no ye be bie motu ba bia wo expected that meaning say there are so many festivals I amoko Duma Fest no on say Duma se akuru no me yan koso hene no ye wo control kakra wo kuro no ndi e ma ne se asem kana make bia company bi oton nsuo me bo bela kwa din because me nsuo ameno mana no
omokra SOMPA nkran ye bo magnet bell beverages
yeah
ye bo mo
bela kwa nsuo na ameno it's one of the best water in Ghana actually yeah it's one of the best year or they check who the consider acidity content na year or nsuo no akaniti na wo no is the best and the man say bela kwa ba ye betimi amaduma so akuru nyina within the period na ye be program no even stores kura na o ma ye vendor ya ma ye table no ho no o mu nyina be ton wo no ma ya na so say ye ba be Duma Fest a month to the time no shop bia be to nsu onkoto wo bela kwafo nko aho so beto beverage bia na koto ho open sa koto bela kwa they will listen until at the end of the day no be who say within the short period no projection is very huge and one thing is say Duma so akuru no ebedu ba bi no e vendors no yentimi mfa ne bebrebe moro ye number na ye hia no so because at the end of the day no so nya ba bi obesisi ma vendors na ye yi ti nya sha ase na wo pese wo ba be vendor ni bia one man on board in tell ba na ye ma you don't blame us the right from February ya ni be ha to normal so mo ba this year no ye ba mo say privilege no ntem mo rantem
nti nana me ntwa wa say bia ti say de ka say bell beverages bela kwafo ni obi pese or reach out to one
yeah
e kwan be
oh you bet me the number atudwa you bet me the number atudwa say be
yeah business
yes say o me to me
okay
aba on board because me say e ade e ya makuru na timi adi nti obi bia ba no so benya fa so ye nti me the Bismarck number e atudwa
okay
number na 0241 88 35 59 0241 88 35 59 Bismarck no is one of the best organizer trust me they be do baby no am for be no ye ma nko
nti ebusu ye mo number na ide atodwa no Duma Fest organizers no ba ko number nti wo ye company bi na wo pese wo be so ya sene a wo be boa amadwumedi ne koso akonya ne da ho no mo betimi aba because ye de videos ne beto screen ne so wan kasa wo de hwe de course e wo Duma Fest wo no mo enya asem keto ane when the che bae no na enti we che say wo be sponsor program we ya wo nto osika entwene wo benya mfaso bebre e de afri mu nana ye ba be ko minim se wo na si kwazo nti ye nheda we still times ye ba be ko what's we chat to
the American say afina ye wura mu no number 1 and e rule the sun and e rule obi bia nya abotre na ye control over our aggression ade ba kwa manka this year painful wo din okay ebe fall into and we are here yes to say panikese bi ese oni akora bi akoda wakowie sika bibi like a lot of scandals this year because say we will be a son no control and son rule na wonya ne the negative side na one of it na we are here and I so aggression nti amanfo bebrebe benya bufu akokko ntokwa bebrebe kokko jele wo nsem hunu ho keke nti the American na say ye wura afim no be anya very careful me ya wiemfo ba yesu frantuma go a oni apipra gro ti bibi sa no obetuto no ma yi na we very careful not try na ye adwumaden because this year no plan dey even Saturn ru kese pa Saturn so dey so obetimi adi yi adwumaden na be mu adi yi nti obi bia na obeye adwumaden this year no nipa ne be di yi nti eya futu amede ma afa na yesi afufufuru bebebe e wo more resolution faka ho should be hard working be humble na ya botre wo wankasa wo ho da ho so se le be ya onkonko fumo bi na wakokonya asem na afa ne be kwa wi na bibia koye ne yesi ahia bi ne ya da nyankopon ase. Thank you very much. This year Ghana be di because kind start from the beginning the first part of the inflation be okay esika asem be koso ye government good policies initiatives and creativity no e be boa ma o man atimi adi ye but from June going you be experience energy crisis nti sa dum so be bi ni experience ye no aban ntoto ne normal see ye because you do June you be issue with our energy to mean say e bi kura on benya some spare power batteries be and be a bit me aboa they should start working on it now because stars and say in the middle of 2026 Ghana will experience energy crisis until no more money mere I won't say you be saying a car it was 6 months from now if the government want to do anything they can do something about it and tell them kind destiny it was 70% and 30% 70% of these things won't even change it but 30% you can do something about it. They say oh say oh ebenya energy issues e wo dwum a na you see how say plan ya obetim kura anya no ma bia be support to di bi make dams ni bi na issues wo ho a obe ha say wo ye ho maintenance na yi wo dey train sa opebre no say ba obetimi anya bibi e dey ashim and also Ghana so ebenya issue with boundaries and resources. Okay be say bia make be he say bia Togo ana say bia Ivory Coast and maybe a Burkina, you know, almost share border, no? They will begin to demand, say, be a part of Ghana, but be your more there. That kind of thing. And there be a resource to be where I end there. So the Ghana being issued with boundaries in 2026. And because, number one, a son. So dominance, aggression, any control, a person control for. There be many issues with no share boundaries. There are many in to be maybe any Burkina for baby any Togo for baby any Ivory Coast for one abandonment security near pampe or because starting to see being issue that have to do with boundaries and resources. Resources be a or more no more boundary they would demand say I do a end there and be so the government have to be very, very careful. This year farming will not help us. I say you Jumano entimi produce no papa from June corner no pick it up. But from there all the way to June, no one say you queer Juma seminar normal and go straightforward. So the government has not to the normal year. So when we begin to lose some food stuffs to be a bit me a fine over to me, I might be a to me. And no, Nana, what I did be see. I don't know, it's like in Suda tunnel and got to the way to talk. Time I expect no and talk. Time I expect not pass the idea. And in the end of the day, no.
Last year crazy, you had December more
Christmas. No, so no talk. And the time maybe here in Swankasano, na jai. To do a braboding a bit me ashe. That kind of thing, the government and fa, Nanin Kohono on 200 more. 200 more a bit me aboa. So I think the few when a bit my comfort Ghana, home and come because you be Anna. I can't tell you. A benam sooner. Oh, yeah, man for baby, now will be a problem. Will be a quack when you are. Okay.